Let's talk a little about the target audience for the course, the key learning outcomes, the course scope, and any prerequisites that you need to bear in mind before embarking on the journey. That's quite important because it's about me setting course expectations, and it's really key that you understand what's covered, what's out of scope, etc. So, who's the course for? If you're taking this course, you're very likely doing so as an Agile product manager, product owner, business analyst, or probably because you work in related roles like Agile project management and maybe even software development. In other words, this course is relevant to Agile practitioners. You may already have an understanding of the project lifecycle and systems development lifecycle, but ideally you'll have little or no prior knowledge of product design management principles and concepts. This course can be taken regardless of whether or not you are technical, and the key thing to bear in mind is that it will consolidate your knowledge on how to more holistically approach the lifecycle of software products. Additionally, you could be somebody coming from traditional engineering backgrounds, like say manufacturing engineering, industrial engineering, design engineering, etc., and interested in learning about alternate applications of product design management. What's more, this may even encourage you to one day take up a bit of a career twist by switching from classic engineering domains to Agile product management. In terms of learning outcomes, the course will help you adopt the mindset of a qualified product design engineer for planning successful software product management in Agile. In other words, you'll learn how to better approach the area of Agile product planning with sufficient product design management rigor. And this will not only make you think more like a product design engineer, but will also help you overcome the challenges you will face in practice. Moreover, you will master the use of a wealth of tools and techniques to plan the lifecycle, strategy, and tactics for product realization. This means that we'll be covering useful concepts, methods, and practical examples that are well established in the realm of product engineering and that you can readily apply to more successfully plan the evolution of products. Furthermore, in fleshing out the subject matter, towards the end of the course, you should be able to identify opportunities for applying the diligence of product design management to the practice of Agile product management. And of course, throughout the course, you'll be able to grab lots of reusable and reference assets to utilize in your own Agile enterprise, pipeline, operations, etc. The scope of the course covers the product lifecycle, product strategy tools, and useful techniques used for product tactics, and we'll get to check out the course roadmap in the next lesson. And that scope, of course, is linked to the target audience and the learning objectives. So, because of the quite specialist nature of this course, this means that we won't be dealing with Agile Product Management 101 here. For example, this course is not about the Agile Manifesto or Agile methodologies like Scrum and Kanban, meaning topics like backlog management, user story mapping, Agile ceremonies, and so on are not within our scope. All of that good stuff, well, you can certainly get that from the more generic or starter courses in Agile product management. In this course, we're going to stick to our main aim, which is about better approaching the area of Agile product management with sufficient product design management rigor to not only make you think more like a product design engineer, but to also help you overcome the challenges you will face in practice. Therefore, the course assumes you are already comfortable with terminology used in Agile product management, for example, product backlog, user story, minimum viable product, etc. You should also already be familiar with some form of Agile methodology, for example, Scrum or Kanban. Furthermore, you're expected to have some foundational understanding of systems and software development practices, and that you are additionally already aware of the commercial dimension of Agile product management, like doing market research, competitor analysis, etc. Bearing that in mind, let's now check out the course structure in the next lesson.